She's 100%. She's
Oh, yay!
she can possibly puppy bee.
Alright, I got you down for tomorrow. At 1:40. Come at 1:30 to lunch.
Did you know that more than half of all pet poisonings involve human drugs?
Now, I thought the biggest poisoning danger for pets was cleaning products.
The bigger threat's actually the medicine cabinet. Over 50% of the phone calls to Pet Poison Helpline regarding poison pets are actually human medications. Common pain medications called NSAIDs or non-steroidal anti-inflammatories.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Flu medications.
Popped her eyes
Okay,
open.
but Tucker can't reach the medicine cabinet, and so I always keep it closed.
That's true. Most dogs and cats
Just
can't
put
get
the
to the
town on
medicine
it.
cabinet, but I can say these drugs are still available throughout households. A lot of times what we see is actually pet owners are holding those poison medications to their pets because they don't realize dogs and cats have an altered metabolism, especially cats. In fact, one Tylenol, which is acetaminophen, can kill a cat. Certain medications are just that.
And this is Mrs. Mitchell right here.
For example, human medications
We
called
helped her teach the bill out in a pinch
and
as
we use
well.
these
So you guys have
Yeah, she
a
had
lot in
cancer.
common.
My Phoenix ate a bottle of anti-diarrhea pills.
Oh my
They
goodness.
did wonderful. I was hysterical, but they were cool, calm, and collected. And
Oh yeah, I was hysterical too. I didn't know what a tumor on a dog was.